Okay, you guys are going to create this beautiful sunset today. So we're gonna make a video so you know how, and the other counselors can also paint with you at the same time. So we have Jade and Madison here. They're not here this week, so they're painting with you. The first thing your counselor is gonna do is give you a sponge and a bunch of Q-tips. You're not using paint brushes. You have a cup of water and all your paint's on a paper plate. Jaden's showing them all. Silly. Okay, so the first thing they're going to do is they're going to take their sponge and they are going to get it a little bit wet at the end. You don't have to get the whole sponge wet, just the end.
How dare you expand?
You can squeeze it out a little bit, Jaden. Okay. You want to start with your dark color. So whatever your dark color is you want.
So
on the end of the sponge, not, it's like a paintbrush, perfect, like that. Okay? And then you're going to brush your top across the top. Yep, brush it. Don't go too far down, that's far enough, Jaden. But yep, fill it in like she's doing. You can use more paint if you need it. Okay, now do the same thing at the bottom, because you want your bottom dark too. So as you can see over here, you're doing the dark at the bottom and the top. That's what they're working on. Use some more paint, Matt. And you see, they're doing it two different ways. She's got hers flat and he's got his straight up and down. All right, so now what you're gonna do is with the same color, you're gonna dip it a little bit in the water, just a little bit. Don't too much, Jaden. Don't wring them out too much either. You want the water. And you're gonna blend it across the blue now, and it's gonna lighten that up. Can I help you for a second, Madison? Look, you had, Jaden, look over here. You're gonna blend it. You see how the water just blends it? It's gonna lighten it up. It'll dry, so don't worry about your paper being wet. Get some more water, Jaden. That works. Okay, now y'all can rinse off your purple, your blue.
Done.
Okay, and then if you have two colors that are darker, like I think Madison, Jaden, are you using the green?
Yeah.
Okay, so you're gonna take your green and she has a lighter blue, and just make a small section in the same way, and leave space in the middle for your yellow. Nope, go up, mix it with the purple almost, right there. Because what you're gonna do is you're gonna go back over that section with water and blend it in. And do the bottom the same way. But leave a white section for yellow right in the middle. And then do your bottom section. All right, Jaden, go ahead and you can add water to that purple and blue right there and blend it with the water. Not too much water, but just enough. Go all over the green. That's fine. Do you want help?
Yeah.
Look. You're blending it. You see what I'm doing with it? You're just blending right over top of it. Okay, rinse out your green. It doesn't have to be perfect. It's however you want to make it in the first place. All right, once you rinse out your color, you can get some yellow and finish off your white section yellow. Yeah, rinse.
No, it's gray.
Use Madison's yellow. Here you go.
Done.
Okay. Rinse it out, squeeze it out, and then add a little bit of water to your yellow and blend it. The same thing again. These guys use 3 colors, but you guys can use 2. All right. After that, you're done with the sponge. You don't have to worry about rinsing it out or nothing. There you go.
My hand purple.
Oh no. Okay, so now we're going to work on making our island right here. And we're gonna do the island dark and then make it lighten it up at the bottom. So you're gonna take your Q-tip and about halfway on your paper here, you are going to take whatever dark color, it doesn't matter. You can use the brown, you can use the dark blue, you can use your purple, whatever. And you're kind of make a line with little lumps to make it look like a island. Y'all wanna see the picture?
So it's kind of like in the middle.
Kind of in the middle, yep. That's good. That's good. Just fill it in a little bit. That looks fine, Jaden. Okay, now what you're gonna do is that same Q-tip, you're gonna barely tap it in the water, get some water on it. Maybe a little more, Madison. Okay, and then you're gonna kind of make a line right underneath of it, but leave a little bit of space where the yellow shows through. And that's gonna be your shadow of your island. There you go. Good job. It's perfect. Okay. That's okay. So get you another Q-tip. Lay it on the paper plate somewhere. Yep. Okay. And now you're gonna take your white and right above your island somewhere in the middle, you're gonna draw you a moon. Circle moon. And fill it in.
Done.
Okay. Okay, now
Dip it in the
underneath
water.
you're going to make your shadow of your moon. So you're gonna start out, you're gonna draw lines underneath, you're gonna start out with longer lines and make them smaller.
Boom.
Perfect, yeah, that looks good. Okay, so then you're done with your white. And you guys will have black, but we are out of black at the moment, so we're gonna use brown. We're gonna make these crazy palm trees here. So, not sure yet, no. It will be in a minute. Okay, so you're gonna take your brown with your Q-tip, and you guys are going to start at the bottom. And your first palm tree, get a new Q-tip, there you go. Your first palm tree is gonna start on the side with your island, and you're gonna make a fatter bottom and then make it skinnier coming up. And make it, yep, and you can go back over to make it fatter. Make your line first. You need more paint, Jay.
I am.
Okay, when you get to the height of your palm tree, just stop. Is that how tall you want your palm tree? Okay. Now you're going to make 3 little circles on the top because there's coconuts on palm trees. Connecting to the branch, the stem. Trunk, that's the word, trunk. Okay. Then you're going to take your, and I'm going to kind of show you with Madison's here real quick. You're going to take your Q-tip and you're going to make your palm fronds. So your palm fronds are going to come out like so. And then you're going to have, Jaden, look over here for me. You're going to have kind of fatter leaves here and then kind of go smaller down because they have the little palm fronds on it. Jaden, you might want to get a new Q-tip, bud. Your Q-tip kind of went fat. Okay, and while these guys are finishing up, I just want you guys to see how easy it really is to paint it. If you want to come around and show them what they're doing, how theirs looks for a second. And there's nothing wrong with messing up. There's nothing wrong with everybody's not looking the same. You just do it the best that you can. So they're going to finish up their second palm tree in a second. But this is your final product. And you guys feel free to start and stop the video as much as you want to and take your time with it. So have fun.